Hi guys, welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've got a really quick video for you today. Yesterday we created this little gallery here with a hover effect that makes the image turn into a colored image, and as you can see it's growing, popping out in front of the other images in the gallery. When I do this, you'll see a crazy little sequence of letters and numbers pop up there. That's actually the title of the image. And these were generated with AI. That's why there's such crazy things there. And a question that comes up all the time is, how do we remove those? Now, if you're just using an image module, you can do it over in attributes really easily. And there's scripts out there that can actually get rid of this for you. So I'm going to show you a really easy way of getting rid of this today if you don't want it, with no coding. Okay, to do this, I'm going to go to my media library. For anybody who doesn't know how to get there, go down to your dashboard and media. And I think we're starting with this image. To get rid of those, I'm literally going to click on the image. Here's the title right here. And then when you upload to your media library, it generates this for you. I'm simply going to select it, delete it. Going to go back. Going to go to the next one, select it, delete it. It'll automatically save it for you. Go to the next one. I'm sure you get the idea. We'll do one more. Ding. Get out of there. If we go back to our page now that we've done this, at the moment it's still going to have them there, but if I refresh this page, you'll see our 4 at the top here with these crazy titles coming out there. We'll no longer have these titles. So let's just refresh this page. Now we refresh. If I go down and hover over any of these top 4 now, you will see that that title is not there. Perfect. Like I say, there's scripts out there that you can integrate into your blog, but this is an easy way to do it without coding. And if I go to the ones below, of course, they still got that crazy title there. Now, of course, you can go in there and change that to anything pertinent you want by going in there. Let's say what we're on this one right here and change that to spaceship or whatever it is. And again, it'll automatically save it. So once you've done that, you can close it out. Go back to the site. Let's refresh. Now, when I hover over that spaceship one, it's got that as the title right there. So there you go, guys. Like I say, short and sweet today. If you want to remove those crazy titles, that's the way to do it, the easy way, in my opinion. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.